Hello friends, in this video we'll be learning phonic sounds with stories and rhymes. Let's start with that. So our first sound is A sound. Its name is A, but what does it says? A. A, mama A, baby A. Mama A, baby A. A says apple, A axe, A ant, A arrow, A aeroplane, A anchor, A alligator. Again, mama A, baby A apple, A axe, A ant, A arrow, A aeroplane, A anchor, A alligator. Where do we see an aeroplane? Up in the sky. Do you want to recite a rhyme? Aeroplane, aeroplane, up in the sky. Where are you going? Flying so high. Over the mountains, over the sea. Aeroplane, aeroplane, can't you take me? This is what? This is a astronaut, a ambulance, a ankle, a arrow, a alligator. Let's do it again. A astronaut, a ambulance, a ankle, a arrow, a alligator. Do you want to recite one rhyme of a? Let's start. This is what? This is a apple. So, hands on my apple, hands on my apple, ah, ah, ah. Ants on my apple again. Ants on my apple. Ants on my apple. Ah, ah, ah. Ants on my apple. Do you want to listen a story of ant? Okay. One day what happened? And she went to the market and she went to the fruit seller. She want an apple, but fruit seller said no to ant. Then ant became angry, and what she did? She bit and fruit seller's ankle. Then fruit seller showed her an axe. Oh my God. Then what happened? See, so many a sounds we have learned. A apple, a ant, a ankle, a axe. Now move to the next sound. This is our next sound. This is a B sound. B. This is mama B. This is baby B. What's his name? B. B. Its name is B, but the sound is B. B. This is mama B. This is baby B. B B B B ball. B B B B boy. B B B B balloon. B B B B butterfly. B B B B bell. B B B B banana. B B B B bus. Let's do it again. B B B B ball. B B B B boy. B B B B balloon. B B B B butterfly. B B B B bell. B B B B banana. B B B B bus. What is this? This is B B B B bear. B B B B buttons. B B B B book. B B B B bread. B B B B bee. B B B B bicycle. B B B B bear. B B B B button. B B B B book. B B B B bread. B B B B bee. B B B B bicycle. Now we'll do a rhyme. The bee stung a bear. The bee stung a bear. Ba ba ba. The bee stung a bear. Again. The bee stung a bear. The bee stung a bear. Ba ba ba. The bee stung a bear. Do you want to listen a story now? See, this is a birthday party. Whose birthday party? This boy birthday party. What's his name? Brian. He decorated his room with blue color balloons, and he invited his buddy. And what he made for him? Bread and butter. See, we have learned so many b sounds. B b b b balloon, b b b b brand, b b b b buddy, b b b b bread and butter, and b b b b birthday party. Now we'll move to the next sound. This is k k k k curly k. Its name is C, but what does it says? K k. This is curly curve. It shows a curve, so is its curly curve. Mama curly curve, baby curly curve. Mama curly curve, baby curly curve. Mama curve, baby curve. This is cat, cake, calf, crayon, castle, car, camel. Again, cat, cake, calf, crayon, castle, car, camel. This is what? Cap. Cup. Carrot. Cloud. Caterpillar. Cap. Cup. Carrot. Cloud. Caterpillar. Do you want to recite a rhyme? Let's listen. See, caterpillar is climbing. The caterpillar is climbing. The caterpillar is climbing. Ka, 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 ka. The caterpillar is climbing. The caterpillar is climbing. The caterpillar is climbing. Ka, 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 ka. The caterpillar is climbing. Now, do you want to listen a story of ka sound? See, there is one day what happened? One day a cat entered castle, and what she found? She found cookies, and she shared with her friend caterpillar. Do you share your things with your friends? Yes, very good. So cat found cookies, shared with her friend caterpillar in the castle. See, so many sounds. Cat, cookies, caterpillar, castle. Bye. See you in my next video with 3 more sounds. Please like and subscribe my channel.